हमारे सही हो जाएंगे, तुम्हारी बेटी की नजर है जो भी।
Wow, Ania is showing something. Welcome to back. Ania, show me. Wow, primary and secondary colors you can show. Very good job. So why not you try some object and do the color on it? Like red is apple color, so you can draw apple. Yellow is banana color, and you can draw banana. Blue is sky color, you can show sky. Try to make a small pictures. Very good job. Excellent, Anaya. It means you know all colors. Good job. Anusha, now you are in form. अब तो बातें करेंगे टीचर से. You can talk. Good job.
लेकर आइए.
So everyone is connecting quickly. अच्छा जी. कौन सुना रहा है मुझे कोई सी पोम? आ रही है किसी को? अनिया को आती है? ओ वाह, हसन अब्दुल्ला भी लेके आए. वेरी नाइस. I want something one. Which one is Hassan and which one is Abdullah? Can you put the hand? Who is Hassan? The blue one is Hassan. Am I right?
No, miss. Blue वाले अब्दुल्ला.
Blue वाले अब्दुल्ला है और orange one जो है
orange वाले हसन है.
दोनों की शक्लें कैसी है ना, तो थोड़ा सा confusion हो जाता है मुझे. Yes, Shayan is also wearing the yellow color shirt, and that is primary color. And which color, Ania, you are wearing? I am not recognize which color dress you are wearing. Is this white? Is this white? You can say, speak up. Good job, Hassan Abdullah. Good job. Very nice. Okay, Anusha, you tell which color dress you are wearing. Brown. Very good. And
White.
I think Ania की जो dress का color वो white, मुझे white ही show हो रहा है. You are wearing white dress? Yes.
Yellow.
Which color? Light blue. Because मुझे यहाँ पे white नजर आ रहा है आपका dress.
I'm not close.
So, मैं आपको एक पोम सुनाती हूँ और आपने सुनी भी होगी बहुत सारी दफा. शेर आया, सब चल डर डर भागा. शेर ने बोला, डरते क्यों हो? मैं तो पानी पीने आया हूँ, मैं तो पानी पीने आया हूँ. Okay. ये मुझे कोई बता रहा है कि शेर के ग्लास में पानी पीता है अनिया की तरह? हाँ, कौन बता रहे हैं मुझे?
अब्दुल्ला
कैसे पीता पानी?
Drinking water in the glass? Say yes or no.
बताओ. बोल में पीता है, बोल में.
टीचर बोल में पीता है, बोल में.
Very good. Very nice. And mostly drinking water in the river.
Big bowl.
River में जाके पानी पीते हैं because he has a big mouth. And when he is open the mouth, he will eat us. हमें खा जाता है. We are very much careful. Okay? Now hello to Surfa as well. Say hello everyone.
पढ़ा रही है ना बेटा.
You can say hello and I will mute yourself.
Hello,
Mr. Fahad.
Hello, Mr. Fahad.
देखो टीचर पोएम पढ़ाई सीधी बेटा.
Miss Turfa, how are you all?
How are you?
Give response.
How are you all?
बोलो टीचर फाइन.
Mr. Assalamualaikum.
आ गए मिस्टर.
सलाम करो टीचर को. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Mr. Fight.
Shining
I make a plan to play the rhyme of thank you and please one. Okay, so I am sharing my video. Everyone listen carefully and watch carefully.
बस
Okay.
ना. बेटा सीधे बैठो ना भैया.
First of all, I would like to share my video.
बस ना.
So, did you enjoy the poem?
Yes.
First of all, unmute all. Then I will reply. Hear the reply.
मैं
Yes. Unmute yourself quick. Everyone, unmute yourself. Now, unmute yourself. Yes, unmute yourself and then reply. Quick, quick, quick.
इससे बहुत मजा आया. Enjoy.
You have fun with this rhyme? And I wish you learn this because these magic words are change your life patterns. When you use the word please, always, so everyone willing to do your work. And when you say thank you to every time, so everyone likes you. Okay? So this magic word change your life. So you can try to say every time. Yes, Miss Urfa, they are waiting to jump in the bed. In the first session, they are talking and saying, they are talking, Miss Urfa, आएंगी और jumping on a bed करेंगी. So you will start jumping on a bed.
You are going to play a music or not?
No, you can sing. I think you can good singer.
Okay, Anavia,
Said.
Anavia,
टीचर क्या
stay quiet. Anavia,
Okay,
please
everyone
stay
sing with
quiet and
teacher.
listen to me,
Okay. First, listen to teacher.
and then start singing. Okay? Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Call a doctor, doctor said, no more monkeys on the bed.
I can't see you
Little
jumping.
monkey, four little monkey running on the bed.
One fell off and bumped his head.
Head.
Mama called the doctor.
Call a doctor, doctor said, no more monkeys on the bed. Four little monkeys, three little monkeys.
One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor.
Doctor said, no more monkeys on the bed.
Little monkey jumping on the bed and laughed and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor.
Doctor said, no more monkeys on the
One
bed.
little one fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor.
Said,
No more monkeys jumping on a bed.
Yay! Clapping! Nice. Now it's turn to creative work. Okay? Are you ready for
Bye.
today's creative work?
करो
Okay, first of all, I need you all of them.
Yes.
Just teachers are saying now.
टीचर क्रिएटिविटी बता हाँ
Yes. Our today's creative work is going with the scissor. First of all, I tell you how you hold scissor, then we can do work with it. When you are having scissor, you have a thumb in a right hand. Keep the thumb in upside. You can see upside and 2 fingers downside. And then open with the help of thumb, close, open, close, open, close. And when you are cutting something and doing open, close, so you go forward as well. Look, teacher is going forward, so I will cut something. When I do open, close, and going forward, it's going to cut. Very nice. You can do practice like this as well. Anusha, very good job. So we are doing a creative work with the scissor, and I would like to share some tip to you. Before starting cutting anything, you can cut soft objects, any soft object. I have dough, so I will cut dough. If you are having cotton, so you can cut cotton. If you are having tissue, so you can cut tissue. First of all, I will cut with the scissor dough. It's a soft object, so it's cut easily, and you can do practice to open and close to the scissor easily. It's all cut. It's all cut. I will show. Did you see? आपको नजर आ रहा है? I cut it all. After the dough cutting, you can use a straw, but I don't have a straw, so I am not cutting a straw, but you can cut some straw as well. Okay? Then you can cut yarn or thread. It's also a soft, so you can do good practice of cutting. When you are cutting small pieces of yarn, so it's, your hand movement is going faster and then faster. You can cut piece of yarn and do practice. When you did all these things, come to the paper. After these things, you can cut paper. For your experience, I draw some lines on the paper. Did you see this? So first of all, we can cut straight line, then we try the big zigzag, then we can try curve, and then a small zigzag and right curves as well. So I will show. I hold paper in my hand and keep scissor in the downside of paper where I draw the line and open my scissor. You can see I open my scissor, and when I keep on the paper, I will close and cut. After that, I am going forward, then again open, cut. Then again forward, open, cut. 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 So my strip is going to be cut. For this practice, I would like to tell you, take a card paper. It's a card paper, okay? First of all, we can draw a circle in the center. You can take any shape of circle and keep it and draw in the center of paper. And then we can draw 5 lines here, a straight line with the help of scale or some stick, and 5 lines here. I will show. Look, did you see? So after drawing this, we can cut strips first, then we can cut circle. I would like to show to you one strip I am going to cutting. Open, close, forward, open, close, forward, open, close, forward, open, close, forward, open, close, forward. And my strip is on my hand. And when we cut it all together, what we do? We can make a sun. We can join all stick with the circle and we can draw the face of sun. Nowadays, sun is very much angry. So I'm not making happy sun, angry sun. So you can stick with the glue backside and make a sun. It's your practice of cutting and pasting with the scissor, Okay? Hope you like it when you do this. Now Miss Noori also join us. It's time to share some reading. So are you ready? Show your thumbs up. Show your thumbs up, everyone. Very good. Now I will unmute first the Miss Noori. Yes, Miss Noori is there.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you all?
Assalam.
Good or not?
Show your thumbs up.
Good? Yes? Okay. So we are going to read names today. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So now I am... Ms. Hiram, can you please allow me to share picture?
Yeah. Just a minute. Okay? Got it?
Yes. Thank you so much. Can you see the red spot? Can you see the red spot? Red dot? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Let's try arrow. Okay? Can you tell me who is it? Kipper. Who is it? Kipper. Yes, Kipper. And Kipper has a beginning sound K. Okay? Kipper has a beginning sound. Look over here. K. Kipper has a beginning sound K. K is for Kipper. 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 Thumbs up or thumbs down? Good. Good job. Good job. Okay, now let's see who is next. Who is it? Mom. Very good. Good job. It's Mom. And what is the beginning sound of Mom? Okay. Yes, it's Mom over here. Mom. 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 Good job. Good job. And now we are going to read this? Who is it? Is it a kipper? Is it a kipper? Nod your head, I can see you. Is it a kipper? No. Is it Floppy? No. Yes, good job, Shayan. High five. It's Biff. Biff. Very nice. Biff. 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 Good job. Now, can you tell me who is it? Who is it? Dad. Yes, it's Dad. 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 Now, let's see. Who is it? Whose name is written over here? Chip. 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 Okay, now can you tell me who is it? Whose name is written over here? Floppy. 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 Yes. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to put red dot on a word and you will tell me which name is written over there. Will you tell me? Will you tell me yes or no? Yes? Yeah, good job, good job. So can you tell me who is it? Dad, good job. And who is it? Kipper, good job. And who is it? Floppy, good job. And who is it? Mom, very nice, good job. And who is it? Chip, very nice, good job. Okay, now we are going to do, we will read the names on our board, okay? Here is the board, here is the board. So tell me what I'm writing. Whose name is it? Can you tell me? Floppy. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now I am going to write in different color. Okay. I'm going to write in different color. And I am going to write. No, it's not Floppy. It's started with D. Dad. Dad. Yes. Good job. Okay, now let's, we are gonna write in green color. Oh, that, sorry. And now we are gonna write, can you tell me? Mom, mom, mom. Okay, please read it one more time. Can you see the red dot? If you can see the red dot, can you please thumbs up? Yes, yes, good job. Okay, so this is mom, mom, mom. Yes, and this is Floppy, floppy, floppy. And the last one is Dad, Dad, Dad. Now let's play a game. Okay, do you want to play a game? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so you are going to tell me that what is written in blue color? What is written in blue color? Is it mom? Floppy. Good job. Floppy is written in blue color, and here it is. Look, here it is. Can you see the red dot? Yes. Here it is. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is written in red color? Red color. Mom. Good job. Good job. It's mom. Very good. And here it is. Mom. And what is the last word left? What is written in green color? Dad. Good job. Good job. Mom. Floppy. Dad. And you are gonna read this. Okay, you are gonna read this again with mama and papa, and after that we are going to repeat it tomorrow. Okay. Yes. Okay. Miss Seram, over to you, please.
Yes. So did you enjoy reading? Did you enjoy reading? Say yes or no. Nod your head or show your thumbs up. Up or down. Very good. So you enjoy. Now Miss Turfa is there. Yes, Miss Turfa.
Okay. So I'm going to show you a picture and you have to tell me what are they doing, okay? Okay. So can you please tell me what they are doing? What mama is doing? Yes, she is cleaning. And what the girl is doing? She is holding her twice. Yes, she is holding her twice and helping her mama. Yes, as she is helping her mama, what mama will say to her? Thank you. Yes, mama should say to her, thank you. Yes, and now we are going to sing a thank you rhyme. Okay? Sing with me and do the actions as well, okay? Okay, start. My hands say thank you with a clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. My feet say thank you with a tap, tap, tap. My head says thank you with the shake, shake, shake. Shake your head. My heart says thank you with a kiss to take. Yes, good job. Now sing it again. My hand says thank you with the clap, clap, clap. My feet say thank you with the tap, tap, tap. My head says thank you with the shake, shake, shake. My heart says thank you with a kiss to take. Did you like the thank you rhyme? Did you like the thank you rhyme or not? If you like the thank you rhyme, then thumbs up. Yes, good job. If,
I also like
uh,
it.
Oh, thank you. Look, if someone appreciates you or help you, we should always say them thank you. What we should say? Thank you. Yes. Did you guys like to sing it with me with Okay, let's start.
Now everyone unmute yourself first.
देखो टीचर क्या कर रहे हैं.
Okay, start.
Unmute yourself and then say to teacher.
My hand says
Thank you with a clap, clap,
करो
clap.
करो करो करो.
Clap, clap, clap.
Very good.
says thank you with the tap, tap, tap,
Tap,
Tap
tap,
tap tap.
tap, 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 tap.
Tap your feet. Tap your feet. Where are your feet? Tap your feet.
Tap कैसे करते हैं?
Okay.
Tap, tap, tap.
कैसे करो?
Tap, 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 tap,
My-
tap, tap, tap.
My head says thank you with the shake, 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 shake.
Shake करो. Shake.
My
My hand says,
My heart.
my heart says, thank you. Heart says, shake, shake, shake.
No.
Say, shake, shake, shake. Shake.
very nice, very nice. Good job.
So
Good job. Good job,
I think
Anabia.
it's time to say Allah Hafiz.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Now everyone say Allah Hafiz to teacher. Allah Hafiz. But before going, you have to listen the message. Wash your hand timely. Cover your nose and mouth with the
See you
mask.
tomorrow.
Sanitize your hand.
Inshallah.
And do your work which is already posted. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Any query, any question regarding today's?
Anusha, you want to say something?
क्या अब मैं
Yes.
क्या क्लास मंडे को होगी?
मंडे को होगी और
इंशाल्लाह।
आपकी क्लास तो कल भी है नादिया।
इंशाल्लाह।
आज आपकी क्लास नहीं थी लेकिन आपने आज ज्वाइन कर लिया, इट्स ओके। ठीक है, आपकी क्लास कल भी है।
टीचर
कल न्यू क्रिएटिव वर्ड के साथ टीचर आपके सामने होंगी।
ओके।
ओके,
Thank you.
यू डिड योर वर्क ना, आई सॉ योर वर्क। आपने तो कर लिया, मैंने देखा भी है। एनीवन एल्स?
No.
करेंगे अपना।
यस अनुषा बेटे,
No.
यू आर डूइंग होमवर्क
No.
और नॉट?
Not.
Not.
आई एम आस्किंग टू अनुषा। आप भी अपना वर्क करेंगी और मुझे शेयर करेंगी, ओके? शेयर इन द यूनिवर्सिटी एंड डू दिस एक्टिविटी, सन एक्टिविटी, कटिंग पेस्टिंग, एंड मेक अ वीडियो एंड शेयर इन द ग्रुप। When we join the stick, it will turn into the flower as well. It's another magic. Anything else? Hassan Abdullah? Hassan Abdullah? Any question?
इधर आइए.
No?
No, miss.
कोई क्यूरी, कोई
इस
वर्ड?
हफ्ते में बस इनकी 3 क्लासें होंगी।
जी, मैं अभी अपनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से पूछ के ग्रुप में शेयर कर दूंगी ताकि आप लोगों की कंफ्यूजन दूर हो जाए। और वही सेम 3 क्लासें दूसरे बच्चों की
जी,
भी
ओके।
वही सेम हो रही होंगी।
चले
जैसे कल आपने लिया था, आज भी वही सब कुछ पढ़ाया मैंने।
चले सही।
तो इसलिए बच्चों को एक दिन रिलैक्सेशन के साथ
जी,
डिसाइड
जी, जी।
किया गया है, ठीक है, ताकि वो बर्डनाइज ना हो।